Hey everybody, welcome to another Cricut tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys when you download an SVG file that has more than one color, how to make it cut on your mats just like it shows on your canvas. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and upload our SVG. I got mine off of lovesvg.com, so it was free. I just picked something sort of fun and simple. I just have to find what it was called. Here it is. I Can't Adult Today. So you'll see that there's a couple different colors in this one. We're going to go ahead and just hit save. When it's an SVG, it does not give us the option to choose from print and cut or just cut. It's always going to be like this, so it's just a cut image. So we're going to go ahead and save it. And then we're going to go ahead and insert the image into our design space. You'll see this one has quite a few pieces over here on the right, and then these would be all the pieces, that it's going to cut. The way I do this, and it may not be the right way, but it's the way I do it. I click ungroup, and that makes each piece its own separate part. So we have the yellow pieces are separate, and then the black words are all separate. But we want it to print or cut so that it's going to be easy to piece together. I'm going to hit undo just so that nothing moved too much. So in order to do that, you have to select each of your words, all the black parts. So in this one, it's going to be all the words. And you can do that a couple different ways. You can select them over on the right side by clicking on each one and holding the control button. And then you're going to hit attach. And then we're going to do, I'm going to hit make it so that you guys can see. See how it's still taking adult and moving it around? But the I can't and today are in the right spot. It's because we attached them. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back and I'll show you. So the easiest way to do it this way is you're going to select adult. You just click on the word, hit control, and click on I can't or today and hit attach. That's going to make that all cut as one styled piece. The next thing you want to do is do the same thing with the yellow pieces. You see how they are, when you select them, it's all one. We're just going to attach them, and it makes it one solid piece. So now when we go to make it, it's going to cut the I can't adult today in the correct order, and then it's also going to cut our little border pieces also in that correct order. The biggest thing to know is that you just have to attach each item of the same color. Pretty simple once you've played with it a few times, but attach, attach, attach. A lot of people will tell you to weld, and weld is not the correct answer. All weld does is remove any cut lines. So if you made this yourself and you wanted all your letters to touch like it does here, you would use weld so that when it cuts it all as one piece. I hope this really short video helped you guys out and learned how to do a little bit more with your Cricut. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell. That will let you know that I have posted a new video. I hope you guys have a great day.